morning mga kapatid. It's a fine Tuesday morning. Ito ako dito sa McDo. Nantay yung ka-meeting ko. Coffee lang. So before while I'm waiting sa ka-meeting ko, I just like this opportunity, take this opportunity to share yung devotion ko for today, yung Bible reading ko for today. It's all about the book of Acts, chapter 18, 9 to 11. So, basahin ko. One night, the Lord spoke to Paul in a vision. Sabi ng Panginoon kay Paul, do not be afraid. Keep on speaking. Do not be silent. For I am with you. And no one is going to attack you and harm you. Because I have many people in the city. So, ito yung assurance. Alam nyo, when we sleep, we dream. When we read the Word of God, He speaks. Hindi mo agad-agad marinig, but in my personal experience, sometimes in dreams and in visions. So si Paul habang natutulog, kasi minsan dapat tayo maging relax. Lalo na pag burn out sa ministry, ginagawa mo na lahat. But then, parang may kulang, diba? Kasi minsan nakikita natin yung flaws, yung faults, yung lapses ng bawat isa ng mga members natin, diba? But when we relax, when we give our burdens to Him, He speaks. Kasi you're emptying out your heart, yung soul mo, para punuin ni Lord. So during our sleep, dun kinakausap tayo ng Panginoon. So do not deprive yourself of sleep. At huwag naman masyadong sobra din, di ba? Kasi nagiging tamad na tayo din eh. We're being unproductive. So balik tayo sa topic. Dun, sabi ng Panginoon, sabi ni Paul, nakita siya ng vision. Vision is may pananaw, di ba? Alam mo yung the word, share ko lang ha, nabasa ko kahapon sa undercover. The word division is from the word D, means two. So vision, so two visions. It should not be two visions inside the church. So church should only have one vision. So yun, pinakita ng Panginoon kay Paul yung vision. At sinabi ng Panginoon dun sa panaginip, I don't know if it's panaginip to, but in a vision. So sabi ni Panginoon, Jesus, do not be afraid. Huwag kang matakot. Keep on speaking. Magsalita ka. Diba? Do not be silent. Sometimes, habang nagsasalita tayo, or actually, ito naman talaga yung gusto natin i-please yung tao. Gusto natin na marinig nila yung gusto nilang marinig. Tama ba? Diba? But what if God is saying to you that i-correct mo yung person na yan? What if God is saying to you na i-rebuke mo yung person na yan? Will you still obey God? Kahit masira yung relationship mo, yung friendship nyo? Diba? Kasi minsan hindi nila matatanggap eh. Kasi may ego yan eh. May pride yung mga tao. Ako din, gano'n din ako before. So, sabi ng Panginoon ni Paul in a vision, keep on speaking. Do not be silent. Lalo na sa mga matters, sa spiritual matters, we should not be silent. Kasi dito, we're just a vessel from God. Yung sinasabi ng Panginoon sa atin for them, it's not for us. It's for them. Because tayo yung kinakausap ng Panginoon, tayo yung may access. Sila, baka hindi sila ganun kalalim kay Lord. So, hindi sila kinakausap ni Lord. But then when God uses you, you should allow yourself to speak up. Kahit mag-persecute ka na sa Bible yan eh. Sometimes we're being persecuted of our faith. Diba? Ikaw pa yung mali. Tayo pa yung mali. Diba na habang ginagawa natin yung pinapagawa ni Lord, tayo pa naging mali. And sabi nga ng Panginoon, ito yung assurance niya. For I am with you and no one will harm you. No one is going to attack you. Because I have many people in the city. Hindi natin alam na within the city, sa mga vicinity kung saan tayo ipaplant ng Panginoon to do His work. Hindi lang tayo marami ding barko na ginamit si Lord. But why should we be afraid? Because if God is for us, who can be against us? Yun yung salita niya, diba? So speak up. Do not be silent. And sabi na dito, so kasi gusto na ni Paul umalis sa city kasi naging unproductive siya doon, or maybe persecute siya. But he decided because he received the word of God. So Paul stayed in Corinth for a year and a half. So nanatili siya sa city 1 taon at kalahati. Nagturo ng salita ng Panginoon. Diba? So it's very amazing on how God moves, and napakaganda ng tawag dito, satisfaction na gamitin ni Lord yung buhay natin for His works, for the calling. So if you're now afraid to speak up, don't. Ito na yung word na sinabi ni Lord. Acts chapter 18. Basahin nyo and have a blessed and fruitful day ahead. God bless.